Hi guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from your Wise app. So if you've been receiving a lot of pop-up notifications from your Wise app, then let me show you how you can put an end to this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, to be able to stop these notifications from this app permanently, all you need to do is to access the app information page, and from there we shall do our settings. To access the app information page, first you need to go ahead and look for settings, and then from settings scroll down until you see this option called apps. Go ahead and tap on it. Now for this tutorial I'm using a Redmi smartphone, however this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So under this, look for this option called manage apps. On your smartphone it might be written more apps or all apps. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Go ahead and scroll down until you find your app, and as you can see my app is here. If you can't locate your app, you can as well just use this search function here to search for your app. Go ahead and tap on the app to open it, and as you can see we are on the app information page. However, if getting to this page is quite complex for you, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just get out of the app and then go ahead and look for your app. Once you find the app, you can see mine is here. Long press on it and you'll see app info option here. Just tap on it and it will take you to the same page. From here, look for the option called permissions, and under it you can see we have notifications section. So you can see currently my notifications are turned to yes, and that's why I'm receiving those pop-up notifications. If I tap on it, you can see we have so many types of notifications that are on. To turn all these notifications off, all you need to do is to toggle off this option show notifications, and all the other notifications will be turned off. From now henceforth, you'll never again experience or see those pop-up notifications from this app. So that's how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications from Wise. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.